Hey guys! Today, we're diving into the world of passive income. Imagine waking up to money hitting your account while you're still in your pajamas. That's the dream, right? I'm breaking down 8 beginner-friendly passive income streams to help you achieve financial freedom. Whether you're looking to quit your 9 to 5 or just want some extra cash flow, these strategies can help you build long-term wealth. So grab a notebook, because we're about to unlock the secrets to earning money while you sleep. The first passive income stream is creating and selling online courses. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? That's your golden ticket. It could be anything from photography to coding. Once you've identified your niche, package that knowledge into an online course. Outline your course content, record high-quality videos, and create supplementary materials like worksheets or quizzes. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia make it easy to upload your course content, create a professional-looking sales page, and handle payments. Promote your course. Leverage social media, collaborate with other creators, run ads, or offer a free mini course to attract students. The more visible you are, the more likely you are to attract students and start generating passive income. If you've got a way with words, writing an ebook could be your path to passive income. Choose a topic you're passionate about and that has an audience. This could be anything from a how-to guide to a fictional novel. Set realistic writing goals for yourself. Even just a few hundred words a day can add up quickly. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, KDP, make it easy to self-publish your ebook and reach a global audience. Create an eye-catching cover, write a compelling book description, and choose the right keywords to help readers find your work. Let's be real, who doesn't watch YouTube these days? Starting a YouTube channel can be a lucrative passive income stream. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your viewers. Once you've found your niche, start filming. Your smartphone is more than enough to get started. Consistency is key. Try to upload videos on a regular schedule. As your channel grows, you can start monetizing your content through ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own merchandise. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but the rewards can be huge. If you love to write and share your thoughts with the world, blogging could be your ticket to passive income. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has the potential to attract a loyal audience. Write blog posts that are informative, engaging, and optimized for search engines. Promoting your blog is just as important as creating great content. Share your blog posts on social media, engage with other bloggers, and consider guest posting. As your blog grows, you can start monetizing your content through advertising, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. Blogging takes time and effort, but it can be a rewarding way to turn your passion for writing into a passive income stream. Real estate has long been considered a solid investment, and for good reason. Investing in real estate can generate passive income through rental income, appreciation, and even tax advantages. There are affordable ways to get started, like investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts, or crowdfunding platforms. If you're looking to invest in physical property, do your research. Look for properties in high-demand areas with strong rental potential. Once you've acquired a property, you can choose to manage it yourself or hire a property manager. Investing in real estate can be a solid way to build long-term wealth and generate passive income for years to come. Dropshipping has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. It's a low-cost, low-risk way to start an online business and generate passive income. Dropshipping involves selling products online without actually holding any inventory. Setting up a dropshipping business is relatively easy. Choose a niche, find a reliable supplier, and create an online store. Platforms like Shopify make it incredibly easy to set up an e-commerce website. The key to success in dropshipping is finding profitable products and marketing them effectively. Investing in dividend stocks is like planting a money tree that pays you dividends regularly. Dividends are payments made by companies to their shareholders, typically in the form of cash. The key to successful dividend investing is to choose stable, well-established companies with a history of paying consistent dividends. One of the great things about dividend investing is that you can benefit from both dividend income and potential capital appreciation. As the company grows and its profits increase, the value of your shares may also increase over time. Dividend investing is a long-term game, but it can be a powerful way to build wealth and generate passive income for years to come. If you're musically inclined or have a knack for photography, you can monetize your creative talents through licensing. Music licensing platforms like Audio Jungle and Epidemic Sound allow musicians to upload their tracks and make them available for licensing. Each time your music is downloaded or used, you earn royalties. Similarly, if you're a photographer, you can license your photos through stock photo websites like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, and Adobe Stock. The key to success in music and photo licensing is to create high-quality, in-demand content. Building a portfolio of licensable work takes time and effort, but it can be a rewarding way to earn passive income from your creative passions. There you have it, 8 beginner-friendly passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom. Building passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Start small, choose 1 or 2 ideas that resonate with you, and take action. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start reaping the benefits of passive income. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more financial tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And as always, thanks for watching.